Gentlemen, let me ask you something real. Think back to your younger days. How much energy did you have in one evening? You could stay active, tackle tasks, or exercise, and still wake up ready to go the next morning. But now, these days, after one intense session of activity, whether it's a workout, sports, or other exertion, your body needs longer to recover. No matter how much you want to push again, your energy just doesn't bounce back as fast. Does that sound familiar? If it does, you are far from alone. In fact, this is one of the most common concerns men notice as they hit their late 40s, 50s, or beyond. Why can't I get back to full energy like before? Is this normal? Is there anything I can do to improve? The good news? Yes, there are solutions. And today, you're going to understand exactly what's happening inside your body, why things change as you get older, and what you can do to recover faster, feel stronger, and maintain overall vitality, even in your 50s, 60s, and 70s. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, simple action plan to rebuild stamina, shorten recovery time, and take back your confidence. Before we continue, take 1 second to support this channel. Hit the like button, subscribe so you don't miss future men's health videos, and tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? I love seeing this global brotherhood of men over 50 building strength together. Now, let's start by clearing up the biggest misunderstanding. When your body takes longer to recover than it used to, many men assume something is wrong with them, that they're broken, weak, or that their active lifestyle is coming to an end. But here's the truth. It's not failure. It's biology. What you're experiencing is a natural recovery period, the time after intense activity when your body says, hold on, not yet. And this recovery time changes dramatically as you age. When you were 18, your recovery period might be just a few minutes, sometimes even seconds. By your 30s or 40s, it stretches to 10 to 30 minutes. By 50, 60, or 70, it often becomes 45 minutes, an hour, or simply once per day for intense exertion. But here's the key point. A longer recovery time does not mean your vitality is gone. It simply means the way your body responds has changed. And once you understand the mechanics, you can work with your biology instead of fighting it. So let's break down what's happening inside your body after exertion. What actually happens during your recovery period? Your body systems go through changes. 1. Hormones adjust. Certain hormones signal your body to rest after activity. As men age, these hormonal shifts naturally increase recovery time. 2.
Motivation chemicals fluctuate.
Neurochemicals that drive energy and focus temporarily dip after intense activity, which is why you feel less ready immediately afterward. 3. Relaxation response rises. Your body naturally enters a calm, restorative state, which supports healing but slows immediate energy. 4. Testosterone becomes critical. Men with higher testosterone levels recover faster. Lower levels equals longer recovery. After 50, testosterone naturally dips unless you actively support it. Common mistakes that slow recovery. Mistake number 1. Rushing the next activity instead of pacing the initial session. Many men try to push for another round immediately, but the fastest way to maintain energy is to pace yourself during the initial session. Slow down, manage intensity, and your recovery will be quicker. Mistake number 2. Alcohol, smoking, and heavy meals. After 50, circulation becomes more sensitive. Heavy meals divert blood to digestion. Alcohol slows metabolism, and smoking restricts blood flow. Better approach? Keep meals lighter in the evening. Drink moderately or not at all before activity. and avoid smoking.
Mistake number 3.
Poor circulation and oxygen. After activity, tissues need fresh, oxygen-rich blood to recover. Recovery boosters, deep breathing, proper hydration, and gentle stretching or massage of muscles. Just 1 to 2 minutes can dramatically speed recovery.
Mistake number 4. Ignoring fitness, weight, and sleep. Think of your body like an engine. Better approach: cardio improves circulation. Strength training boosts testosterone. Maintain healthy weight. Protect sleep. 90% of testosterone is produced during deep sleep. Start small: evening walks, light lifting, reducing sugar, and keeping a proper sleep schedule.
Mistake number 5. Overlooking mental energy and environment. Not every recovery issue is physical. Stress, monotony, and lack of anticipation can slow energy. Try new routines, focused relaxation, mindful preparation, and breaks and mental rest. Roadmap to faster recovery after 50. Pace yourself during activity. Avoid recovery killers, alcohol, smoking, and heavy meals. Boost circulation, deep breathing, hydration, and stretching. Build long-term stamina, exercise, nutrition, and sleep. And support mental energy, routine, relaxation, anticipation. Optional medical guidance can help some men, but the main message is, your body can adapt. Biology is flexible, even after 50. You are not broken. You are not losing vitality. You are not at the end of your healthy years. Your worth is measured by health, confidence, and quality of life, not by immediate recovery time. So, here's my challenge for you. Focus on pacing, breathing, hydration, and mental readiness. Give yourself 2 weeks with these habits, and you will notice improvement. Tell me in the comments, which habit will you start with first? If this video helped you, hit like, share it with a friend who needs it, and subscribe for more men's health strategies designed specifically for men over 50. Gentlemen, age is not the end of vitality. With small, smart habits, you can reclaim confidence, energy, and overall wellness. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and I'll see you in the next video.